In this video, we're going to be talking about how to navigate BNY Mellon online dashboard. So BNY Mellon provides several different online platforms depending on the specific services a client uses. So whether wealth management, asset servicing, corporate trust. Therefore, general navigation steps are difficult to provide without knowing which specific platform you're using. But now in your BNY Mellon online dashboard, you can first identify your service, determine if you're using the BNY Mellon for wealth management, asset servicing, brokerage, or another specific solution. And you can also go to the appropriate client access login page. A general client access link is also available on the BNY website. And then on the dashboard, you can simply go ahead and view balances and account information, accessing and downloading statements, transferring funds or making payments, accessing reports or analyses, managing account settings and security preferences. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.